So, the Dignity Act was introduced about a week ago, and it has so many things about immigration reform, path for legal status for many undocumented immigrants, immigration fees increase, and many things in it. But is it? Is it the path for immigration reform? In this video, I'm going to break it down, the most comprehensive understanding breakdown of the Dignity Act. Is it immigration reform? What to expect? Everything in this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what's in the Dignity Act 2025, the bill that was introduced about a week ago. And I want to make sure that you understand all the complexities that are involved with it. And I'm going to break it down into different sections: immigration fees, immigration reform, path for residency, yes or no, and many things that you need to know if you're an immigrant in this country going through the immigration process. Maybe you're in this country and you lost your status already. Maybe you lost all hope. I'm going to try to give you all the details. The most comprehensive breakdown of Dignity Act on YouTube is in this video. So make sure you watch it all the way until the end, because I'm going to go through so many different sections. We'll talk about border security and enforcement, reform of the asylum system, legal status for dreamers and millions of undocumented people, changes to American workers coming to the United States or currently in the United States, modernizing legal immigration, many changes, employment-based visas, family-based visas, so much going on in this act. So guys, once again, all the way until the end. Let's jump right in. So what is this Dignity Act? A bipartisan group of lawmakers came together, reintroduced Dignity Act of 2025. Previously was presented in late 2022. This is a sweeping immigration proposal that is showing us a path for what could happen if this will pass one day to change our immigration system completely. People who support the Dignity Act say this is the fix we needed for a decade to reform our immigration system. People that are against it are saying that it's not. It's just going to create more complications and encourage more undocumented people to come to the United States. After I'm going to break it down for you in this video, you'll be the judge and tell me what you think. What are the goals of the Dignity Act? The first version and the new version I'm going to explain to you today. Number one, illegal immigration once and for all. Because if we have this kind of system that allows people to come here to eventually become legal, why would we even have illegal immigration in the first place? Number two, provide a path for legalization for people that have been here for many years, currently undocumented. It doesn't mean they're going to get a green card based on this act, but they're going to have legal status, live and work in the United States, and even be able to travel back home. Number four, protect dreamers. People that are here on DACA and been here for many years are still trying to renew their status every few years. We need to give them legal status, and that's what the Dignity Act is about. Secure the border with technology and staff, people that are going to be assigned to secure our borders. Invest in U.S. workers through training, apprenticeship, and more visa possibilities for highly skilled individuals to come to the United States. And finally, modernize our legal immigration system. This system is broken, we know it. Whether you're watching this video and you agree with me or not, you know that our system is broken and we need to fix it now. Let's start with the Dignity Act, Part 1, Border Security. Dignity Act will create more money, more investment, physical barrier, and tech. Build more walls and technology to protect our borders from illegal immigration. Operational control. DHS must get full control of the border. That's what the act is calling for. Air and marine border patrol operations to make the border even more secure. Enforcement measures. They definitely have enforcement here. Nationwide e-verify. Require all employers in the United States to verify employees through this online system that already exists, but it's not forced now on all employers. This act calls to make it mandatory for all employers to e-verify their workers. Increase penalties. If you're going to hire undocumented employees, you'll be penalized as an employer. And of course, fighting anti-fraud at the border or with people that are coming into the United States trying to get in here. Part 2, asylum system reform. Now, before we talk about the asylum system reform and get into family immigration, employment immigration, and all the good things, new visas created, guys, if you're watching my videos every single week, you know it's taking me a long time to make those videos. please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show these videos to more people just like you. If you need help with your immigration matters, you know it. You're watching my videos, you have access to me. Send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. And now, let's get back into the video. Asylum reform. The Dignity Act calls for humanitarian campuses. 3 new government-run facilities will detain and process asylum seekers. Screening complete within 15 days, not like months like today. Cases adjudicated in 2 months, not years, by trained asylum officers, not judges. Medical care, legal access to those people in those facilities. Expedited removal. If you're caught crossing the border twice, you're going to be expedited removed. No mercy under this act. Overseas screening. Authorized facilities in Latin America to screen people for asylum even before they come to the United States, making the process more effective and speedier. Number 3, legal status for dreamers and undocumented people. That's the big one. Dreamers are going to be eligible for a 10-year path for a green card. They have to meet certain education and legal requirements. You have to be here before the age of 18, physical presence in the United States since January 1st, 2021, and no serious criminal record. If you have that, you're going to go on a path for a green card as a DACA holder. The Dignity Program itself, what does it do for undocumented people? If you're here watching this video and you have no legal status, this is for you. A 7-year legal status program for undocumented immigrants who've been here since December 31st, 2020. If you've been here since December 31st, 2020, you're going to go on a 7-year path to getting yourself legal status. It's not green card, but it's better than nothing. You have to be paying taxes and a fine of $7,000. Pass criminal background checks. You have to be checking in every 2 years with the government. You're not going to be able to get any federal benefits like SNAP or Medicare. Once again, guys, no path for citizenship or green card, guys. It's just legal status. Number 4, investing in American workers. The Dignity Act ties legalization to economic growth in the United States. There's going to be an American Worker Fund set up, and this is going to be paid for by immigrants, guys. Immigrants are going to pay into this fund. No taxpayer money will be used for that. Each $7,000 that undocumented immigrants are paying into the funds are going to the fund and are not going to be used by taxpayer money. And this is going to raise $70 billion in job training for U.S. citizen workers. Immigrants in the program are going to pay 1% tax levy off their wages towards infrastructure and training. So if you're in it, you're going to be paying $7,000 and 1% from your wages will be taken for this fund. Number 5, modernizing the legal immigration system. Let's start with family immigration. Many of you guys are watching my channel. You are going through the family immigration. How is that going to change? Special discretion for U.S. citizen spouses and children and parents who are going through visa denials. They're going to give more leniency. If you're an immigrant and your spouse or a parent applied for you, your chances to get those green cards are going to go up because they're going to have leniency. A new visa created. It's a 90-day visa specifically for family visit to come to the United States to visit. So family members for special events, weddings, funerals, and it's not going to have immigrant intent. So right now when you apply for a tourist visa and you have a family member that is an immigrant here, that visa will be denied because you have family members here. This new visa will protect you from getting that denial. Employment-based immigration. What are the changes there? STEM PhD students fast track for work authorization and work visas. Visa cap reform, double per country limits from 7 to 15%, double this. They're going to count only the principal visa holders. For example, if you're applying for EB-5 or for a green card, only you will be counted towards the cap. Your spouse are not counted, which creates a surplus of visas for you. If you've been waiting for 10 years for a green card, you can pay $20,000 and you can jump in the line. This is for you guys from India and China. You're waiting for 10 more years, you'll be able to pay $20,000 and you'll be right there ahead of the game. It's going to prevent children from aging out. Aging out provisions will be included in this act. And a special agency to coordinate this immigration process to make it faster. So we talked about so many things. Is this going to pass? I don't know. Is this going to pass in this form? Probably not. But it will pass in some form or another. Look, the big beautiful act did pass, and it passed fast. I do have hopes for the Dignity Act, maybe not in this version, maybe in some other version. In any case, it's good news for you guys. Those of you that are pending, those of you that are undocumented, those of you that are waiting for years to get a green card, there is hope, and we hope that something like this will pass. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this? And if you need help with your immigration matter, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details and one of my team members will contact you ASAP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.